Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, look at the camera. Sing it.
I must be special for, there's a special prize for me. The one who now gave his all when he died on Calvary. They think they're not much, the friend who just can't see that I must be special for, there's a special prize for me.
Who paid a special price for you?
Jesus.
What did he?
Jesus died on Calvary.
He died on Calvary. He sure did. Why?
Because he died on the cross.
Why did he die on the cross?
Because he was going to heaven.
So we can go to heaven?
Uh-huh.
Does Jesus love you?
Uh-huh.
How much?
How much?
How much does Jesus love you?
Something.
A lot?
Yeah.
Say bye.